Today, let's discover amazing reptiles and crawling animals. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a snake.
Snakes do not have legs, but they move by slithering across the ground. Some snakes are harmless, while others can be dangerous.
This is a lizard.
Wow! Lizards are reptiles with scaly skin and long tails. They move quickly and often hide under rocks, logs, or leaves.
This is a crocodile.
Crocodiles have powerful jaws and strong tails. They live in rivers and swamps and enjoy resting in the sun.
This is a turtle.
Turtles have hard shells that protect their bodies. They move slowly on land and enjoy spending time near water.
This is a chameleon.
Chameleons are known for changing their colors. They use their long sticky tongues to catch insects.
This is a king cobra.
The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. It can lift its head high and spread its hood when it feels threatened. This is a sea turtle. Wow! Sea turtles have large flippers that help them swim through the ocean. They spend most of their lives in warm sea waters.
This is a frog.
Wow! Frogs have smooth skin and strong back legs for jumping. They live near ponds, lakes, and other wet places.
This is a snail.
Snails carry their shells on their backs wherever they go. They move very slowly and leave a shiny trail behind.
This is a millipede.
Millipedes have long bodies with many tiny legs. They crawl slowly and like hiding under leaves and rocks.
This is an earthworm.
Earthworms have soft bodies and live underground. They help keep the soil healthy by making tunnels.
This is a leech.
Leeches live in water and damp places. Their soft bodies help them move and attach to other animals.
This is a slug.
Wow! Slugs are soft-bodied animals without shells. They prefer cool, damp places and move very slowly.
This is a termite.
Termites are tiny insects that live together in large colonies. They feed on wood and build tunnels for their homes.
This is a crab.
Crabs have hard shells and strong claws. They walk sideways and often live near beaches and rocky shores.
This is a grub.
Grubs are young insects that live underground. They feed on roots and other plant material.
This is a Komodo dragon.
Wow! Komodo dragons are the largest lizard in the world. They have strong claws and powerful bodies.
This is a skink.
Wow! Skink are smooth and shiny lizards with long tails. They like hiding under logs, rocks, and leaves.
This is a python.
Wow! Pythons are large snakes with beautiful patterns on their skin. They move quietly and often hide in grass or trees.
This is a scorpion.
Scorpions have 8 legs, strong pincers, and curved tail with a stinger. They are mostly active at night.
This is a spider.
Wow! Spiders spin webs to catch insects for food. They use their 8 legs to crawl quickly and quietly.
This is an alligator.
Alligators have tough, scaly skin and powerful jaws. They can move on land and swim skillfully in water.
Great job, kids! Today we learned about many interesting reptiles and crawling animals from around the world. Thanks for learning.